Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 14 September 2024. The CBIC has issued circular to clarify that where the inputs were initially imported without payment of integrated tax and compensation cess by availing exemption, but subsequently GST on such imported inputs are paid at a later date, then the IGST paid on exports of goods refunded to the said exporter shall not be considered to be in contravention of provisions of Sub-Rule 10 of Rule 96 of CGST Rules. The Competition Commission of India is expected to issue final orders by November on its investigation into Amazon and Flipkart's alleged anti-competitive practices. The probe has found that both companies extended preferential treatment to select sellers, distorting competition across various product categories. The final decision will follow deliberations on the findings and responses from the parties involved. The CBIC has issued circular to clarify that data hosting services provided by service providers located in India to cloud computing service providers located outside India shall not be considered as intermediary services, and hence the place of supply of the same cannot be determined as per Section 13, subsection 8, clause B of IGST Act. SEBI has allowed securities funded by cash collateral to be considered as maintenance margin for margin trading facility to promote ease of doing business. This move helps to ease the burden of providing additional collateral towards the maintenance margin for the margin trading facility. This change came after SEBI received representations from market participants through the Industry Standards Forum to relax the margin trading requirements. The circular shall come into effect from October 1st, 2024. The CBIC has issued circular to clarify that the advertising company, which is involved in the main supply of advertising services, including resale of media space, to the foreign client on principal-to-principal basis, does not fulfill the criteria of intermediary under Section 2, subsection 13 of the IGST Act. Also, the recipient of the advertising services provided by the advertising company in such case is the foreign client. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.